Alrighty everybody, good morning. Here to wash out another shirt. We've got our blue bullseye here. Gonna give it a quick spritz out here with the cold water, then carry it inside to the warmer water. It's so cold out here, even this water, it's not very warm, is steaming. It is so cold.
You gotta show the people your blanket.
That's okay. No, I won't trouble your people with the blanket. I'm wrapped in a fuzzy blanket, people. Gotta stay comfortable, man. Gotta make sure I'm not shaky with the camera. Wouldn't want a shivering guy holding your camera now, would you? It's already shaky enough. I'm always sit down on my knees when I'm doing this. I need a chair for sitting out here for real.
A little kid's chair?
Yeah, like a little kid's chair. I'm too old to be doing this, man. I'm too old to be squatting down here filming this. To the inside?
Yeah, to the inside.
Getting it unbanded, folks. Oh my God. Pretty serene so far there. God, what we got? I always like this color combos too, like this. That's definitely one of your go-tos, one of my favorites. Blue, green, purple. The blurple.
A glurple.
The blurple. And look at that. Wow. Nice. Okay, that's pretty happening. Look at that, people. Let's see the other side. Oh yeah. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. That's pretty happening. Oh yeah. Nice. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. That came out really good. Look at that. Nice blue bullseye with the lavender around the outside. Yeah. This is one of her favorite colorways. One of my favorites as well. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Also, if you're interested in this shirt or one of the other ones you've seen lately or one like it, check out our Etsy store. Link in the description below. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.